Hello my dear student, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain the exercise number uh, B and C of chapter number 4, getting future ready. Okay, and this is the question answer from the textbook of class 8. Okay, and chapter name is getting future ready. And now in the previous video I have explained the whole textbook exercise, and today here is the question answer, and I will explain it one by one, all question and answer, and you have to write all question and answer in your CW copy and HW copy by help of the video and PDF. Okay, so question number one is answer. Question number one: what makes a driverless car safer than a car driven by a person? Okay, so answer will be: a driverless car has several inbuilt system and software that programmed to sense the environment and operate safely on the road. Okay, it is the feature of the driverless car, and such a car can see, feel, sense, and monitor, which can help it reduce the number of traffic violations and accidents. Okay, it is the feature of the self-driving car, and next, and it is expected to drive, navigate, and act on the reflexes while on the road, just like a human driver, but better, quicker, more accurately. Okay, so it's the answer of the question number one. So you have to write down uh, question and answer from the, you note down the question from your book, and also take the answer in the PDF. Okay, and our second question is: list all the features that make Sophia a humanoid. Okay, humanoid means human and android. Okay, that is the made humanoid. Okay, both are the feature. It means human feature and android feature when included in a robot, then it will be humanoid, and Sophia is the humanoid robot. And what is the feature of the humanoid robot? So let's see here. uh, Sophia can display more than 50 facial expressions. Okay, it has power up to display the more than 50 facial expression and imitate several human gestures and hold a simple conversation. Okay, it has a good feature to talking with a person with a simple conversation, and also it imitate or copy the several human gestures. Okay, and she has functional legs too and can walks like us, and it has next feature that its legs too and can walks like us, it means a human beings. And the use of the flower gives Sophia's face a lifelike appearance. Computer algorithms and artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence means AR. It is the short form of the artificial intelligence, and allow her to recognize faces and voices, maintain eyes and contact, the process human speech. Okay, it is the different many kind of the feature that has the Sophia as a humanoids. Okay, next is question number 3: what are the sign that space tourism is going uh, gaining popularity? Okay, gaining popularity. So answer is here. You can see between 19 and 2009, 8 people went into the space as a tourist. Okay, there have been a few commercial flights space flights and experimental space planes in the same period. Okay, several space tourism companies have been formed since then, with an aim to facilitate private space explorations for a hefty fee. Civilian space programs, okay, offering zero gravity space flights and short duration spacewalks are the already being offered. Okay, so you can see here what are the signs that space tourism is gaining popularity. So you can see here is the uh, many sign that is the tourism gaining the popularity like a in the first you can see here there are 8 people went into the space, and then few commercial space flight and experimental space planes in the same period went into the space, and then several space tourism companies have been formed since then, and with an aim to facilitate private space explorations and hefty fee civilian space programs offering zero gravity space flight and short duration spacewalks are the already being offered, and it is the different kind of the features and region that the uh, space tourism is gaining popularity. Okay, now you can see here exercise number C and share your answer in class. So you can see first the line or statement that is the mention from the textbook, and after the uh, line mention the line, you can see here is the question. Okay, in what ways can cars be self governing? It is the first question. And what does the verifying levels of autonomy means? So I have explained it by answer, so you can watch out the video and listen carefully. Answer is a driverless or self-driving or autonomous car is self-governing because it can drive, navigate, follow the traffic, and act of the reflexes without any human interventions. Okay, it means without interfere of the human, the driverless car operate itself. Okay, and it can do so using the built system and software that are programmed to sense the environment and the operate on the road. Okay, it also take a sense by its system and software, and then he also operate uh, all the command by itself, and then it operate on the road easily. And verifying levels on the autonomy means that driverless car will have different level of self sufficiency, that each one car may need absolutely no human interventions, whereas another car may need a little human supervision and so on. Okay, as you can see many of the common car had has need of the human, but a driverless car has no need of the human beings, and it's operate itself by its programmed and built system and software. Okay, and next is the use of the flower gives Sophia's face a lifelike appearance. Okay, flower is a kind of material. So question is here: what qualities do you think it has? Okay, Sophia has what kind of the quality? Then answer will be flower could be like a mix of clay and sponge. Okay, which is soft and flexible. It can be stretched or molded into any shape or form. It looks like human skin in color and can move or wrinkle like a real skin too. Okay, it means here is the flower, that is the uh, main part of the robot that appreciates of the human being, and this flower is a made of a like a mix of the clay and sponge, and which is the soft and flexible. It can be stretched or molded into any shape or form. Okay, it's the next feature to stretch or molded into any shape or form, and it looks like human skin. Okay, it is the next feature. It looks like a human skin and in color, and can move or wrinkle like a real skin. It is the, we can say it is the copy of the human skin. Clear? So all these is the qualities of the flavor. Okay, flavor. Clear? Next is, two individuals breached the Earth atmosphere. Breach can mean break, violate, or get through. Okay, so you can see here. Question is, what does it means? It means, what does it means here. Breach means, what is the mean of breach? So here breach means to get through. Okay, so I hope you all understand the answer of the question, and it is the uh, written all the question and answer of the chapter name is getting future ready, and exercise is B and C. So you have to note down all the question from the textbook and note down the answer from the PDF. And if you have unable to understand the question and answer, then watch out the video. Okay, so thank you for the watching video, and I will come back soon by taking the next video. And so thank you for the watching, and best of luck.